Well, hello and welcome to our home workshop. Today we are going to be finishing the patterning on our nested tables. So I've got this bit of wood. We're going to make the template for the pattern on the side and the back of the table today, and we'll use this across all of the tables that we make for this nested tables. So let's get started with that. Right, so hopefully you can see our concentric circles now. It's a bit hard to see because I've just scratched them into the surface of the plywood. But hopefully you can see our three sets of two concentric circles. And that will give us the sides for our hexagons. Right, so we finally got there. Hopefully you can see that. I've coloured in the bit I'm going to be keeping. So we'll cut that bit out now. Right, so that's all cut out now. Managed to split it here, but a bit of tape and glue, and hopefully that will sort itself out. I've put some screws in there just to hold it to the work as we do our routing, and hopefully that should get us the pattern that I'm after. So let's get this lined up on the work and see how it looks. Right, so we need to place our template in the middle, and on the diagram for this piece, I had it mounted too high. I didn't really like it, so we decided to move it up a little bit. To move the hexagons down a little bit so that the middle of that is in line with this. Right, so that's the bulk of that hogged out now, as you can see. So now we'll get that on the router and then we'll get going. Right, so that's all been filed down now, so we got some straighter edges. Hopefully you can see that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chamfer all of these edges just to give it a little bit more of a crisp look. I'll show you that once it's done. Right, so that's given us some really nice lines. So hopefully you can see that. Need a bit of sanding here and there, but really good. So I've just got one of the side pieces now, because we need to work out how high this is in the wood. We could work it out, but it's just easier to eyeball it. So line that up broadly straight, work out how far this is off the bottom, and then we'll use that measurement just to mark lines on the bottom of both the side pieces. Just need to work out where the centre is from the back piece. So that's 364, so that's 182 for half of that, and that will get us our centre line. Just do a quick check just to make sure. Yeah, hang on. Draw both the centre lines on theirs, and those are the centres for our where to put our template, just like we did on the back piece. Right, so we'll get some holes drilled in there, get the main bits cut out, and then we'll do the rest with the router. Right, so our template's done a really good job. Did a great job on that one. Sorry, let me just show you the whole piece. You can see. It has slipped a little bit here. It's just tiny. I should be able to get rid of that, but still, thankfully I felt the template go, so need to work on securing that a bit better next time. Right, so that's all of the pieces done, so I've got 2 of those done now, and the back piece and the top piece all done. So I'm going to put that all together and we'll show you what it looks like. So this is what we've been aiming for, and you let me know what you think. You think we've got there? Let me know in the comments below. So we've still got a load of finishing work to do. What I want to do is draw the outline around those hexagons so it's got the same patterning as the back. I think that looks really good. I think that's it for today. So if you like what you see, then give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. See ya!